We're back! And fighting inflation while cooling the nation.
Ice cold AC
will set you free.
Appliance Direct has a brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system, including the standard install, permits, and 10-year parts and 10-year labor warranty. $63.15.
Including 10-year parts and 10 years labor.
Only at Appliance Direct. Brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system. Standard install, $63.15.
Brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system with standard installation, $63.15?
Yes!
Includes a 10-year part and 10-year labor warranty?
Yes!
Financing available?
Yes!
Ice cold AC will set you free.
$63.15.
$63.15?
Yes! Goodman 1.5-ton system, winter discounted price, $59.35. 2-ton system, winter discount price, $59.65. 2.5-ton system, winter discount price, $61.15. 3-ton system, winter discount price, $63.15.
Appliance Direct, come see us.
Yes! You're gonna love it!
Brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system, standard installation.
$63.15.
Retail price on this system is normally well over $10,000.
Appliance Direct, $63.15.
Including 10-year parts and 10-year labor warranty.
Only at Appliance Direct. Brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system, standard install, $63.15. Yes! 10-year parts and a 10-year labor warranty included? Yes! Is the financing available? Yes!
Brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system with standard installation, $63.15?
Yes!
Ice cold AC will set you free.
Appliance Direct has a brand new Goodman 3-ton AC system, including the standard install, permits, and 10-year parts and 10-year labor warranty. $63.15. 3.5-ton system, winter discounted price, $64.25. 4-ton system, winter discounted price, $65.60. 5-ton system, winter discounted price, $68.80. Including standard install, permits, and 10-year parts and 10-year labor warranty.